Welcome to Guangzhou ODA Fishing Tackle Company Limited. Is a professional lure supplier which specialized in designing and sales all kinds of artificial hard plastic ABS fishing lures and soft TPR lures for years. Hard baits like jointed swim baits, glide bait, minnow, crankbait, popper, pencil, topwater lures, jerk bait, robotic lures, lead jigs, and so on. We have an affiliated factory in Foshan. Lures designing, R&D, hand-carved, molds making, molding production, assembly and welding, decoration coating, packaging and sales, all proceed in our 5,000 square meter self-owned modernized workshop factory. All facilities like molding and painting oil machines are well setted, and all lures are produced strictly according to CE and the National Production Safety Standards. ODS Lure have been providing outstanding lure design, tooling, and manufacturing to many countries like USA and Japan, famous fishing tackle companies all the time. We have accumulated rich experience in R&D and manufacturing top fishing lures. Our company and lures are widely praised by customers all over the world. Our lures have been continuously prize-awarded Best Product Awards for hard lures at China Fish Show in Beijing. There's a reliable and professional team waiting to make your OEM, ODM lures with tough internal structure and various perfect swim action as requested. Welcome to visit our factory.